ade pa kwa na me dwene ho a na ehunhuna me pan se okọ me papa kura ase te se wanya ne ba bi ko Nyankopon fa ne kransi sa anadwo a ye tam no de ne call hospital ho e wa asastre na ye mu amunua ne bi physician assistant ne bi ana ne wo ho nti se aye so wo ye adwuma obi nyina ne konso nkyere no sa anadwo na me papa da ho wo wu a ne BP kosoro a otimi bo ne ho moden a stabilize ne BP ma afede start se eba form esiesie ne bibia wie ansa na o me ye de ka aba ye o ka no se afede se ade ne condition no aba normal nti na fe papa ne timi keka ne ho timi kasa ye mfa ne ntoka mu mfa ne nko no sa bre no ye se mura no mo se so obi nyina wo nso obeboa ama wa ye sa ne o ma na ye se sa bre no na Krokese bi anso men the next bigger town or hospital no you commute to for about 1.5 hours. In that situation no na say enka papa ndo wo ha instantly.
Into before say me answer question we no. Me per say me read ade bi emre bi. Me tworo de to WhatsApp page bi so me nim say Ghana has empanyimfo nyina me mbo page ni di.
Okay.
And the main facility in the body, name of TDM because I was frustrated with the patient. May say, what will you do when all referring centers, including Mami Mohodi, is refusing to accept your patient with hemorrhagic CVA?
I know
reason
hemorrhagic CVA.
Reason how much my work overload. Almost say you can't hemorrhagic CVA you be a sebio wanya stroke ni o ma hodo mi no ye wade wunya entini timi pa wo tirimuna moja no enyunu ku tirima no ne friend hemorrhagic CVA enti me ho no me ye eno ho adwuma enye yie ba me de ye wo se bi hu ne se ade ni ye se me mfa nko kase na wafre ni aka che se 24 hours what train friend ya ka cho say 3 hours na 3 hours na sa so a na ofra ni ya ka cho say o patient ni dey intimi nyeno because you abuye so and some patient we are make kind of ho some sad and am so me frustrated patient ni we wo me ho if you say me oxygen nyina asan
what the need na ma no a
telling you the situations we are facing where you're only one of the situations and I wrote it on that page knowing say anybody that matters in Ghana's health is on that page. And I have an opportunity also to be there. Nobody even responded. And in this situation, already, Ghana has the ambulance service. So I will refer patient to my control system. No. Say, ubedi can have free health facility. No. Yemfane say be a komfanochi. Me work patient say na ye no me pese me de ne ba. I was so when you are can we and son no afre ambulance. Say problem we into me person me refer any person as we could G. Now omonso afre a confirm say ye no kore say wa afre because I was say G for CC or
si omo G to me say omo the way ba
until say G for be catch you say ye wompa ambulance be any be to metu and I say any other hospital and I say any other hospital a referring center our person refer patient in a corner. So one young to more say for patient in a ma ambulance is work intimate entity. That is the difficult entity currently. Obiye no one will be to me a country say Ghana ya duru ho. Say you were enough of everything. Obiya ye doctors Dawson, specialists Dawson, way for Dawson. And you know at the touch of a button no. Bibia we hear no half from Bibia Obenya. We are not there yet. And even the young crab yeswa, yes, yen to mean to your day con. And no crane quedding. How much more afraid you was say, semi patient we are. Yes, and my friend will be or ye supervisor, no one can't change my drew, and son of it me actual. Now, empra him will be to me again on the phone, so say, maybe I will be a friend, and son of my chiro.
Na no sana kombema mo physician assistant nipa ba ko bia one supervisor na say physician assistant 10 yes
that is see and in Ghana we are over 7,000 supervisors now more can in the whole Ghana almost 2,000
enti so ba ko bia hwe nipa be 5 kura so na 5 no bia efra
ye be ye den. So it doesn't make sense. It does. We want you to see a certain.
Because kuna menya ade ntina asem we as we want
Enti ni yesi ye whistleblowers. We are telling you what is going to come in the next 3-4 years if this bill is passed.
Maybe Danny Train.
Yeah.
This bill, no, whatever it is, in Crawford, as a Troy, there are people I want to believe. Omunya ordinary lawyers. Omuti aseminase. So omukura ma lawyer na Troy ya. They gave the lawyer enough education. Omuma ni hunumune nti ase bebre ewo apomuden ana yarehwe dwumanimu ansa na wo choro. So where were they now ana ye na yente the ompeso omo ye na say.
Me say the problem is interest. Group interest, individual interest. That is say obi ko negotiate oil amagana.
Oh, okay.
Na osimema Ghana 20%, mumfa 80 na me fe chira be to me 2. It's all about interest.
Okay.
So there is a certain interest.
2% no ko jini nti. Well, who say what the 80% a chen crofo.
Or the chen go beton Ghana because of only 2% view. It is interest.
Can I say
another area na me pese me ma hu ni say. So share the whole Ghana, the way our health system no running up.
Yeah.
Me a Presbyterian,
Okay.
me Orthodox Church.
Okay.
And the young say Babeti, sorry, you started with a young man say a friend is a caretaker, but na cat kiss aba.
Sure.
And son a cat kiss be see as sorry dining machine house, I the software bar. I the same thing with your health system.
Okay.
You best started with chip compound.
Okay.
We are na chip compound, near Kakra na physician assistant aba.
Okay.
A physician assistant ne the NSA was an kotimi peja facility nim na yekese na doctor ba fe de na apem. Because doctor bi obaby and found no specialty first you are a doctor.
Okay.
That is how the system is supposed to
work. Okay.
And you say anko bi e tene di asese o me free akopem ha me free akopem ha anka ya de ebeboa.
Facebook
Name Mr. George, the was shame fin and was so shema baby a one no could see hospital no. Obi any ho de ne yehwe.
Okay.
Intimate me aka cho say obetimi akọ health center bi see e bro 60 years. And so apart from that e see ho say no e bi meka ho. E bi mu meta meka ho because nipa ne nim say o me kura me be page ani mu na the next one is called to the next, but that should be the system.
Okay.
And in nipa ne to me ye no page mu na ye kese a at least I was saying how to me recognizing and say sa na dwuma no
for boni a wa soma yarefo
e dey na my year national health insurance our Ghana ehia fo ntia
sure
but all the here to say dey na Bra Felix Ekano akraba malaria the whole Ghana yenim say dread di kan aye this malaria yare bi mu odin ye the friends are testing it.
Okay.
And no hwe ehia na mura ene ade wa ni panya malaria pa enye ngura say
Sure.
Enso nipa ne beduru a NHIS be ka kire o say o tie kura se ho no ma na sa wo ti kurukitu amunti edo no tworo mu ntua ti at the end of the day no nipa na ne ba esoro kan na ne ho ye hye ho ahwan a oba ya me physician assist me ba
this is a revelation.
I'm not telling you this. Let me finish so that you get the understanding. So that you get the understanding. Enti nipa ne ba na say me aminim say the whole Ghana this is the first line mastati esoro na kan na atiko. Yes, I mean refer no. My mean say there be me nkoda. Enti e was say me man mi yunu na e kan. Enti e no no obetua kashe nkare.
Ati senate no.
Yes. Enye no nko hwe.
Because I saw one refer no answer.
We him say me ho yi me kuro yi me wo mu yi. Em fa ne say oba so oba abewo.
Opem so.
Delivery ni yo ma hodo. Ye bi a em fa say normal delivery. Normal delivery ni de ba bi a ye. Oni me say nipa ni choose say mekwa akowo okwakubo atin ho ehwe health center NHIS betu 60 cedi okowo hospital NHIS betu almost 350 cedi the same thing, the same midwife, the same everything. So I'm just telling you say even just because say yes national health insurance no cry you see the bebo
actually it's not even helping them.
I'm telling you here for the tuakese